This motorhome is the Canada TF Plus from Ahorn. For something like this, you're looking at least 75,000 euros. It's 7.5 meters long and it is around 3 meters high. This vehicle comes with a electrically descending bed in the roof, which will come down here to the face-to-face arrangement in the dinette, which comes with this enormous table. Look how big that is. That's absolutely enormous. And here we have got the kitchen with 3 burners, a sink, storage below which can be closed via central locking, storage there, and the storage under the descending bed as well. On the other side we find a fridge, and in the fridge we have a thing called bottles at the bottom. Above that there's a television. This has got a separate bedroom, so to speak. This is a layout with 2 single beds, as you can see, and under the 2 single beds there is more storage, and there's there's access to a large garage. Storage also at the back with separate reading lights, and that could be used by storage. It's a shelf really. On either side of the bedroom there is a window, and there's also a nice window in the roof as well. A separate toilet and shower. So there's the toilet with a large angled mirror and a sliding door. The shower is here, and next to the shower we will find the temperature control there, so you can turn the heating on or the water or whatever, should you so desire. The door here will of course close like that as well. Now as we come in and out of the van, we can turn the 12-volt on and off via this switch, and also we can move the step in and out. Garage at the back. And so I've decided to do this video in 3 minutes or less, which I've done, but there is a longer video with more details and there is more information in the description. But for the moment, thanks very much for watching.